Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Rowlet from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw two circles intersecting each other. Draw beak over the intersection. Clean up the base lines. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw a vertical line to mark the body length. Draw a circle around the eye for the body shape. Draw a leaf shape below eyes. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw wing. Detail the wing. Draw wing. Detail the wing. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.